This is where the TV plug in. I think we can work on it without unplugging the TV. Be careful, honey. Behind you, your computer is plugged in. We're gonna try to work without unplugging the TV and his computer. Bobby's computer is unplugged because it's too far. We put it right here.
So what are we gonna do?
We're cleaning it, baby, so we can. Next, we put the trim board. It will be flat because if you don't clean it, it won't look good. Okay, honey, give it to me. Honey, how do you do this thing?
Oh, yeah. Lightly.
Lightly.
Don't screw up the wall. That's
No.
the sheetrock.
Okay, I got it.
You need to just
I
go a
got
little
it.
further every time. Yeah,
Okay,
just a little
that's
bit
it.
at a time. Nice and slow. No need to try to rip it all off at once.
I know.
It'll rip the chalk out of the wall.
We're getting ready to lay out the flooring, so we have to put this padding before the flooring. We have to finish this section before the others. Look at guys, it has a poem inside, underneath. You know, if we pay someone to do this is very, very expensive.
Yeah, 12 bucks at least.
No, if we pay someone, how much do you think it's gonna cost? Here, honey, I can help you, honey bunny.
That there.
Okay, hold on. I'll help you. Hey.
There you go. Take it away.
Yeah. It's ready to put the flooring. Perfect size.
Perfect.
Look at guys. It has a bubbles underneath. This will keep the floor dry on winter time. Nag-i-expand kasi siya guys pag winter, so this will help. You're gonna start on that side, honey bun?
First, I have to see what's the best way to click these together. And it looks like this way is probably the best way. So take this and stick it in there. Drop it down. Oh, it's gonna have a groove in it.
Huh? It has a what?
That groove in it. It's got a button up nice.
I know.
Let me
Where's
see
that?
if it.
There we go.
No, it's still got a groove in it.
What is that?
It's the style, I think. I don't like that style.
I don't like it either.
Because that garbage gets in
Oh,
there.
maybe you can put it in.
Well, I'm gonna try, but I don't think that's the case.
Try the first one first, somebody. Try it. I think you can put it in.
I think they got that gap there. That's because normally you can just stick it
Yeah,
together
click
and
it.
have them click together. That's as far as it goes.
But
It's
can you
a
put it
natural
in?
gap.
Put it in for a little bit.
Well, I gotta first do other things.
Yeah. So
Move. Put that stuff up. See how far. 2.5, huh? Okay.
hi guys, we're doing the flooring now.
And then we need a pencil.
Think this will work?
What is that? Is that called a pencil, anybody?
Bobby's drawer. Bobby's drawer right here. Or this one here. This one here.
Let's do these.